Hey guys, it's Logan, Nova, and you in here. Hashtag Run Kids. And we are opening a Steam Siege pack. Yeah, pack a day. We want special charges, talent flames, and megas. So let's open this. It's a pack. Oh.
Yeah, that didn't work.
No, it did not.
Oh, it did work.
It just popped out the break.
I see
Break?
something I likey. Don't look at
How do
it.
you look at it beforehand?
Because
That's no fun.
Yanma, Marie,
Likey.
Mantine, Miaz, Larvesta, Armor Fossil Shieldon,
Shiny.
Spirit Tome,
Spiritomb.
I remember using those a while.
Anorith,
I remember Dad using them against me, actually.
They
Hawlucha.
all used to
Oh,
block.
so that's what evolves
and
the Anorith thing.
Duo.
Those trainers, yeah.
Woo! I'll give it a 3. That wasn't very good.
Yeah, same.
But then this guy evolves into Flaffy, and Flaffy Taffy evolves into the other dude.
I'll give it a 10.
It's really bad.
I'll give it a 10.
No, currently have a 10.
I'll give it a 2.
10. I rated
Move
it
on to
10.
the online pack.
So it equals 10. 10.
That's enough.
Then
Alright.
I clicked it.
On.
I clicky wicked it.
Don't look at it yet. Okay.
Okay. Looks like we have a special charge. Larvesta, Hawlucha. Yeah, Guide. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I clicked the wrong button. Hawlucha, Tangrowth, Special Charge,
Ooh.
Azumarill,
Ooh, it's gold. Since when has the Zumo been gold?
That's Mantine. That's
Nuntine,
Mareep.
Mareep, Meowth, Fletching,
Fletching.
and
Forgot Larvesta. And
Volcanion.
Volcanion. Cool.
And Larvesta.
Yeah, there's Larvesta.
I said Larvesta. That was the first card I ever said.
Online packs a 4.
Volcanion.
Yeah, 4.
Maybe a 5 actually, because we got special charge. So yeah.
I'll rate it a 10.
Alright, yeah. Special charge.
I'll rate it a 10.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch tomorrow's video. Like, subscribe, and comment. See y'all later.
Bye.
And don't forget to rate all your packs 10.
Bye.